Two of the hottest AI tools in 2025. Jasper AI versus Perplexity AI. Which one really delivers? On the left, Jasper AI, the marketing copywriting powerhouse. On the right, Perplexity AI, the AI-powered research search engine. Let's skip past flashy features and get into what actually matters. We'll put both through their paces across multiple categories, earning points along the way. At the end, you'll know exactly which tool comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. All right, here's the lay of the land. We're going to look at pricing, primary use case, content quality, search and research, team collaboration, model flexibility, creative writing, and academic and research. I know, sounds like a lot, but stick with me. It gets kind of interesting. Okay, let's start with pricing. Jasper AI has all these fancy features, like tons of marketing templates, and you can get your whole team in on the action, which, awesome. But man, $69 a month for their pro plan? That is not exactly friendly for your wallet, especially if you're just flying solo. Meanwhile, Perplexity, this is kind of wild. They actually give you a really generous free tier. No joke. And if you want to go pro, it's like 20 to 30 bucks a month. Sure, some advanced stuff is locked behind their subscription. Classic. But honestly, for most people, Perplexity's pricing feels way more doable. So, winner for value? Yeah, Perplexity takes it. Now, jumping to primary use case, Jasper is dialed in for marketing copy. Like whether you're pumping out blog posts, social media blurbs, or email campaigns, this thing is built for you. But, and here's the catch, it's not meant for research and digging up facts. So if that's what you need, it might just let you down. Perplexity, on the other hand, is kind of the opposite. Need research, real-time info, want to double-check facts, or see the sources? Perplexity nails it. Not really your go-to for creative writing, though. The responses are more like, here's the headline, done, next. You gotta decide. Are you after killer marketing content or research chops? In this category, honestly, it's a tie, because it's all about picking your lane. All right, let's chat content quality. Jasper brings some big guns, custom brand voice, slick templates, basically copy that sounds professional and, like, actually sells stuff. It's high quality, but keep in mind, you do need to set up your brand stuff first so it knows your vibe. Perplexity delivers clean, accurate info and sources everything out. No sketchy hallucinations here, but sometimes the output is short. Just summaries, not super detailed or, juicy if you want a big blog post. So for top-notch, polished marketing copy, Jasper's the clear winner in this round. Wait, quick random fact. Did you know Perplexity is like totally obsessed with accuracy and source checking, while Jasper is laser-focused on automating marketing copy for teams? So depending on your vibe, you're getting two pretty different flavors of AI. Search and research. Okay, this is basically Perplexity's home turf. Jasper does have some integrations, but let's be real, it's not built for searching the web. You won't get real-time stuff, so it feels kind of stuck. Perplexity? Oh, it's actually got built-in web search, it pulls up citations, and you can pick academic or social search if that's your jam. Plus, access to all these frontier AI models, not too shabby. Sure, sometimes the quality depends on what's out there, but for research, fact-checking, or news, Perplexity is miles ahead. Winner here? Perplexity. Easy. Team collaboration. This one's interesting. Jasper's got it nailed. If you've got a team, you can share brand voice, bounce ideas, and basically work together like a well-oiled machine. Of course, you need their team plan. Perplexity is fine for individuals, and you can share stuff, but team features are kind of basic. So if you want to work as a squad, Jasper's the pick. Model flexibility. How much can you swap between different AI brains? Jasper is pretty locked in. It works great for what it does, but forget about switching models. Perplexity is way more flexible. Want to try GPT-4, Claude 3, even the new Mistral model? You just flick a switch. Multiple search modes too. Sure, you gotta go pro for the best models, but still, it's way more open. So Perplexity wins for flexibility. Creative writing. All right, if you want creative flair, Jasper is honestly impressive. Tons of templates, keeps your brand voice tight, really shines for anything marketing. It's laser focused though, so outside marketing, it's not as wild. Perplexity does offer a writing mode, but the output feels robotic, and for anything opinionated, it's just not inspiring. If you want creative content and a bit of spark, Jasper's the winner here. Academic and research. Jasper's okay if you want to dig into knowledge bases, but it's just not cut out for deep research. This is where Perplexity really steps up. You've got an academic mode, It'll serve up source citations, scholar-only results, and if you're in school or need serious fact-checking, it's basically made for that. Sometimes info is a bit light if sources are missing, but even so, Perplexity totally owns this round. Before we wrap up, let's just look at the overall scores. Jasper comes out top for team stuff and marketing content, while Perplexity scores high for pricing, research, and flexibility. The radar chart kind of makes the differences pop. You can see where each one shines and where it takes a little nap. So look, here's my take. If you're running a marketing squad, need super polished, on-brand content, Jasper AI is going to make your life way easier. But if you're the type who's deep in research, fact-checking, or just needs the newest info with trusted sources, especially in 2025, Perplexity AI is hands down your go-to. Not sure which AI tool is right for you? Honestly, think about your main use. Are you all about marketing? Or is research your thing? Match your needs, and you can't really go wrong.